Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both AirPods and their case have power. Low battery can block pairing. Once charged above 20%, close the lid and turn Bluetooth off on your device, then back on to clear temporary glitches. Make sure to tap Forget or Remove for your AirPods in Bluetooth settings. This wipes old pair data. Next, press and hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This hard reset forces a fresh pairing state so the device can discover them anew. Once the case is reset, open it close to your device with Bluetooth active and watch for the pairing animation. Tap Connect when it appears. If no prompt shows, go into Bluetooth settings and select AirPods from the available devices list. Make sure your phone or computer OS is up to date, because firmware mismatches can prevent connections. Also move away from potential interference like Wi-Fi routers or microwaves. If problems persist, try pairing the AirPods with a second device to determine whether the issue is with the AirPods or your primary device. If pairing still fails, inspect and gently clean the AirPods sensors and the case charging contacts. Dirt can stop detection and charging. Once done, retry pairing steps. Make sure to test left and right AirPods separately by placing one in the case. If nothing changes, consider resetting network settings on your device as a last resort, because this clears stale wireless profiles. Finally, if hardware faults or battery degradation are likely, contact Apple support or visit a service center. Ask for diagnostics or battery replacement options as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.